Yo, yo, yo. All right, so I never really got that whole like sweets and bacon thing. Like I never really thought it should have been a thing. But then like my mom got these like microwavable maple bacon bites and I thought, boy was I wrong. Like I get the appeal, like the whole like sweet and salty. Oh my God, they're so good. So I decided to kind of like recreate them in my own image. Well, not literally, you get what I mean. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's get into it. All right, so first the bacon. Now you want to cut these into little pieces, and I found that the easiest way is to use kitchen shears. But you can also put the bacon in the freezer to partially freeze, and that'll make it easier to slice if you're using a knife. So now we're gonna cook the bacon on a low heat, and doing so will help render out more fat and make for a crispier bacon. Now once the bacon is nice and ready, we're gonna remove it but leave the drippings. Now for the bread. Now you want something that you can cut into chunks, and the best and the most luxurious ones are egg breads like brioche or challah, which is what I'm using. But you can also use like French bread or even Texas toast. Now we're gonna cut this into cubes and we're gonna place this in a large bowl. And we're gonna set this aside. Now in another bowl, we're gonna add about a cup or two of maple syrup. And then to this, we're gonna add the bacon grease from the pan. And then we're just gonna mix this to combined. Then we're gonna pour this over the bread and we're gonna mix to coat. And then we're just gonna allow this to soak for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now it's time to cook them. So we're gonna melt some butter in the same skillet that you cooked the bacon, and if there's still bacon grease in there, all the better. And we're just gonna fry these on all sides until golden brown. Now you can also deep fry these in about 350-degree oil for a few seconds, or even bake them at 350 for about 7 to 10 minutes. Then you just plate these up, sprinkle on some of the bacon, and drizzle with some maple syrup and some icing, and enjoy this deliciousness in a bite. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below if you definitely want to try these maple bacon bites and any other recipes that you want to see me recreate, comment below. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.